If you're looking to verify a business manager on Facebook, I'm going to show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's climb in. So we're starting out on the Facebook page. You're going to go on the left-hand side. You'll see a bar over here with a bunch of options. You're going to look for See More and look for Ads Manager. Now, once you go in to Ads Manager, on the left-hand side, you will have a menu again. So if you just hold your cursor over this menu, you'll see All Tools. Once you tap on All Tools, you're essentially looking for business settings. Now, once you're in here, you will have to select the business that you would like to verify, and you're going to go ahead. I'm going to open both of these, and this is what the page will look like. Now from here, you're going to go down all the way on this left-hand side menu, and you're going to look for Security Center. Once we click on Security Center, this page will open. So this is where you will see your verification status. All right, so currently this profile is ineligible for verification. Now, if you'd like to learn more about that, you can actually click on this help center over here, and this is where you will end up. You can read as to why you're eligible or not eligible. So if you are jumping in there and you are eligible, you will see a Start Verification button, and then you can go ahead and click on it and you can get verified.